Hi everyone, this is John from Zoom, and in this video we will demonstrate how to overdub using the H1n. Overdubbing is the process of recording over existing audio to layer new parts. Although not designed for intricate overdubbing, the H1n can provide basic track layering. Press the record button to begin recording your first track. Now you can record your second layer by holding the play-pause button as you press the record button. It's necessary to connect headphones so that you can hear your first layer. The H1n has now created a new file with both layers. Your original file containing only the first layer is still available on the SD card. You can now repeat the process to record your third layer. By default, the H1n will overdub on your last recorded file. If you want to overdub over a different file, you can use the fast forward and rewind buttons to select a specific file name. When overdubbing, the auto-record, pre-record, self-timer, and sound marker functions will be disabled. Overdubbing is not possible using MP3 format, only WAV. For more information and product updates, please visit zoom-na.com.